post them and take off of them money and them stuff there. When me Lego Cartel, how me not take nothing from him. So that's why him for love Popcaan. Love Tommy Lee, love the youth them. Cause killer not take nothing from you for boss you. And me boss you bigger than how you boss them. You're a giant when me let you go. You understand? And none of them no come this you like, oh you diss me when you come out of my camp. You understand? You ever hear Papi at this Cartel so? You ever hear Tommy Lee this him so? And no matter afraid, you don't know. Don't put word in the you would have seen or believe, you don't know. Them don't do it. So that's what we are talking about. We no matter what make them not do it. Them just don't do it. Him diss me the wickedest way. Okay? And nobody still not doing nothing. You understand? So low people make them have them freedom, man.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
When they don't know Media Fox, you know. Serious people. This is how me want to talk about from where they, you know, cause I realize that over the years, them use this bus artist thing over the youths them to make it look like so yo, the youths them not contribute nothing to dancehall. See, but look here now. The systematical thing when it comes to artists, when them say alright, them carry artists on a stage and say, yo, people, next artist and give him a mic, make him sing a couple song. See? Yeah. And then them have them DJ with them control. And when you look the space full up of them DJ, cause look at them around the place. See? Them have a big entourage. Right? So you know say alright, them artists here, what them a carry up on the stage now. See? Because back then it be easier. Right? But now it's different. Because if you realize you have so many DJs out there we now line themselves to no camp. You understand? So look here now. So you don't know Alliance thing, you see. Ricky Rudy and you see Vybz Kartel, Busy, Wayne Marshall. And some more did it. Some more artists did it where you say yo, Alliance and thing. See? But when you check it, only 3 artists out of that batch who can say alright, do the thing big out there. Right? You don't know Kartel, Vybz and Busy Signal. You don't know Wayne Marshall, yeah, him get him time, but I'm not really a consistent artist, so could I say you're rare, but people still give him respect. You see me? Ricky Rudy, you don't know. Yeah, him get him run to at the game, but he just never got to that limit there. You understand? He never got to that successful rate there. You understand? So this is the thing now. Vybz left. Vybz have cut for become a, you know, a big entity, gully side, branch off, create him own a thing. See? You don't know Kartel, same thing. Busy still there. But you don't know Ricky Rudy and Wayne Marshall, them kind of do them different thing. You understand? But them try to use this thing for put on the youths them. For say, yo, we no bust an artist, yo, how much artists we no bust. But when you check the ratio, in a them time there, it was have a low percentage of artists who are bust and I got mainstream than now. You understand? Yes, them carry them artists here to the forefront, yes. But using the same system thing where can control to make them artists here get their attention and get that forward there, it was a different thing because Kartel left, Kartel and be bounty fall out. And then you don't know him and Beenie man, you know, start flex on certain things. Kartel go do him own thing. See? And you don't know Kartel create film one system, the Gaza, which you see Popcaan, see? So the Gaza thing now, you understand? You have Sean Storm, you have Lisa Hype, you have Black Rhino, Da Vinci, yeah, Sheba no there, but you have Gaza Indio, Popcaan, see? And some other rest of artists, but the only somebody who can say will make it out of that group here, the real way, is Popcaan. See? And Popcaan never get that on a big level that while in Gaza. And when him was signed to Drake. You understand? Which Popcaan now create a next system where him sign Ching Ching. And him have a one bag of artist and him sign Quada. You understand? But where is Quada now? These are the things we're supposed to talk about, you know. Yes, they make people know artists But do it elevate dancer like the percentage of artists. All of them artists are with them say yo boss. Right? These are the thing now. Because yeah, you can talk about the starting, but what about the ending and the successful rate? Because we don't see quad anymore. We don't see no stage, nothing. Seeing? You don't know Ching Ching usually around there, run a Popcaan, sign team and everything. Him there around Sean Paul, you know. Seeing? Sean Paul, you know, try to help him. Is it, but him a do him thing. But, you know, Ching Ching and Morley, him sticking a one theme. You don't know the dancing thing. So, it's like, in a dancehall, you have kind of versatile, you have can do this a singer, this a singer, this a singer for every different personality of people, which more universal to the space. You understand? Because every day people are going to dance. You understand? Dancing song. So we understand, but that a ching talent. See? But this is what them use over the artist them. Because if you realize, a three systematical artist system in a dancehall, which other camp where you would have say yo enlighten other artists out of them system? Because Unruly and Gaza, the same system is like the same alliance. You understand? And them man have feed them type of DJ which are found from alliance. Seeing? And then you don't know Cartel create themes that majority of the DJ them in a dancehall. All of them are say Gaza. You understand? So all of them artists with their own Cartel and them little thing there is a easy way to highlight them. For a man like Beenie man. See, remember you know a Beenie man give Cartel him first number one. You understand? But Beenie man never have the streets and the power Bounty Killer have. You understand? So him could make the alliance entity there. Like how Bounty make it, because Bounty have the streets, Bounty have the DJs them. It's a system that seem like the Gaza thing. You have a bag of Gaza DJ. You even they have all, I remember say the Gaza DJ them, I work with the unruly thing. At the same set of system thing. That's why them man can easily say, yo, we send the artist a road within the system. Seeing? Because I always hear some people say, yo, Alkaline a boss an artist. But when Alkaline forward in the game, it's the same systematical system with the DJs them. Some of them now play Alkaline. So, this is the thing now. How Alkaline I go push out artists like them three system when the same system I try to black him out of dancehall. Eh? Because when you check it, Alkaline no might push out an artist, you know. See, because this is the thing. And an artist I learn it work around. You have DJs. We have to play them artists a song. You understand? But then it different in a way where the only three camp we really push out artists is the Unruly camp, the Gaza camp, and the Alliance, which the whole of them are the same bloodline. You understand? Yes, you will have artists out there. We create them little own little thing, and them try to push out the artists. But them three system here don't take over the dancehall space with DJs already. And if the artists not enough for them system and them not rate this artist here, if the artists are come from that they camp there, them now go and play that the artist there. You understand? Cause if you check the space right now, you have so many artists. There's a higher percentage of artists boss since you could have say yo from after Alkaline boss, there's a high percentage rate of artists were boss than before Alkaline. Because why is Alkaline when Alkaline boss the game change? Because nobody never take no side, him never fought from no camp. You understand? So that open a lot of people eyes and I say yo that youth and I saw youth start boss, and remember saying after Alkaline boss, even Massacre boss. You understand? Because this is the thing now. So many artists, Alkaline have artists around him, seeing, but you don't know there's a system. Them now, if them not rate Alkaline, them now go highlight that. When Bounty have the Alliance thing go on, Bounty them have how much DJs? Enough DJs there. What they fi give them artists your strength? Or you think like man like Foota Hype can forward and say, yo, him do this and him do that? Because there was a lot of DJs in the business. Stone love them, all of them DJs, brother. You understand? Tony Mataran. Remember all one time Tony Mataran say, nah, play Alkaline, you know. But you have DJs out there where Alkaline we have. You understand? Where you have mostly like, I know DJs outside the Alkaline DJs. Like you have like, what name? DJ Banker, you have my youth, the what name? Flabadaba or something like say, Ikel Marvelous. Yeah. See? Them man there. But tell me what. Them man they are not DJ. And like, them just rate Alkaline. It's not a systematical DJ thing. But them still play Alkaline. But the thing is that Alkaline music gets so powerful. You understand? Reality, good music, run the place. You see me? Because them time they are big artists start boss. You see me? Big artists. You see it? Because on a boy, fi say yo, you send some artists around and all of them things there. Bro, you have a system for do that. You understand? So over the years, they must say, yo, move from here. So yo, you ever hear, yo, this is money boss most artists. But what is the successful rate of the amount of artists where them say them put out there with them boss? That's the problem. How much artists out of the Gaza where we can say, yo, Ray, a Popcaan alone, we can say, yo, do it, bro. But I never Vybz Kartel push Popcaan to that level. Popcaan go sign to OVO that put him on a different level. You understand? So, if you check it, oh, them artists here, for boss artists, cause me never know say everybody can do one thing when there is a system we've been creating where at the same. Cause when you check it, maybe now it kind of different, but them time there, when you have an alliance, you have a remember in a bounty in a street, in a bounty call it, yo, say man, every DJs I say bounty. Oh, you think say bounty could I just highlight them artists or so? Like just him as an artist? No. Bounty have him DJs them. You understand? Foota Hype, the whole of them, some other DJs out there. Oh, you think Wayne Marshall and all of them man there? Eh? Right now, you have so many. Right now, you have some artists. I try to show about some artists right now, but things change because we're in a social media world right now where majority of them DJs here, them now come from the camp. Or some little young youth who come DJ and do them own thing. You know how much DJs turn big top DJs after COVID and all of them something there. So them money now say no camp. Them money just do them thing at DJ and make them earning money. And like back then when the DJ say, yo, Alliance, yo, Gaza, Ray. You understand? So the high percentage of song when them are going to play a Gaza song. Them are play that song, you know. But 70% of Gaza, 70% of Alliance, 70% of Unruly. Because the same DJ them where represent the Gaza did I represent Unruly. Because remember the Chromatic them, you know. Chromatic them was Gaza and then transfer into Unruly. So it's a system thing, brother. So when me them a talk about, yo, this artist, I no boss no artist. I know so artists boss carry to the forefront go. I know so it go, brother. If I did so it go, everybody could have do it. But it's a system make that happen. You understand? Because you are gonna say, so you don't know, Alliance people are gonna say, yo, I want to them boy no boss no youth. When them are the same one, right? Them are the same one where we have the system we make that happen over. Feed them place. The same system where you say, yo, we no boss no youth, is the same system where black. This artist where them say no boss no youth. Same goes to the Gaza, same go for the Unruly. You understand? It's a street. And it fall under the same bloodline from Alliance to Unruly. You understand? Which other camp is there? But we could have said, yo, highlight a bag of artists. We're not forward from the same tree system here where we are forward from the Alliance. Tell me which other camp. You understand? Move out have artists around him. But why? No for the DJs them pick them side. You understand? And if the system not rate this artist like that, them not go highlight the artist them when they run this a man. Same goes to Alkaline. You understand? Same goes to Massacre. You see it? And a lot, back then thing did different, dog. It did different. Now a social media world, nobody now no control of that. You know, say TikTok a bust artist now. You don't need no artist to bust no artist right now. TikTok a bust artist. Somebody just do one dance. Seeing? One dance. One dance somebody do. And it go viral. And that the artist say Ghana road. Now in a social media world, you don't need no artist to call up, no artist on stage. You understand? Anybody can make it out there without no artist strength. You understand? Look there, Sean Storm did a few much years in their own cartel. Right? Look where they a TikTok a little dancing. Make him get back a little wave with there. Fan him forward out, you know, get no song, nothing, nobody not talk about no song where him do. And look there, TikTok. TikTok. Him their own cartel I try with him, all of them, nothing couldn't go on. The game change, you know, brother. It change. You understand? It no matter what you do right now, it you know, none of them, you see same camp them, right? Because you have social media now, everybody venture off in a different things. The game change. Everybody are looking at drama and all of them look at something there. More than the music. But then people that focus on music more because they never have no social media for rely upon. You understand? And more drama. When you see the drama with Foota Hype them and them thing there. And Vegas them and Bounty Killer. That's what the people them into. Them not into no music. You understand? So the greed for listen music nowadays and them look at thing there. You not dead no more. Social media eat out that. Cause look there now. Me know Popcaan have artists around him. Right now, nothing not going for Popcaan again. We not hear no song from Popcaan again. Seeing? Mean, he might drop song, but nothing not going. I know him have artists around him, but nothing not going either. Same with Bounty. Come remember, I know every artist with their own Bounty get the break. You understand? A majority of the artists them will get the big break. And them and Bounty fall out. The only somebody can say busy, but them still not highlight busy. Them not highlight busy signal. You understand? All them out there do good same way. You don't know I do when I did there, but them say I do when you're lazy. So when you forward out and I talk about yo, boss artists and this and that. Right now, you know see a TikTok a boss artist you know. The amount of artists TikTok give a highlight more than how an artist would give highlight right now. I tell you. Where thousands of people do, because TikTok is a big space, so everybody will watch what I want. You understand? Right now, we look, it's crash. Right now, nobody no remember Sean Storm song when get a highlight with back then. You understand? You don't know the song, you remember it. The same song when sing about my life or something like so. You understand? Back then, right now, this is a song, people know this is a song more than that. They don't remember them the song there, bro. You see it? Yes, some remember, but that one, yeah. Them are going to remember this a little one, yeah. Because once the song play and the dance kick in, them are going to remember the dance. But them not going to remember the dance back then. You understand? So, them people are use, you know, bust no artists. If put leverage over artists. Me not say Afrobeat I do it. You understand? Me not say Afrobeat I talk about, move for me say, you know, bust no artists. How much artists you boss? Me no see hip-hop do it either. You understand? Me no see reggaeton do it. Dancehall is a very weird space. Me I tell you, very weird space. Yeah man, very weird space. So when me see them forward out and I talk about, I want deal. Man in a bus no artist. What you do for dancehall? Where do this? Remember when Beenie man? Remember, you know, if you have a show as an artist, you know, you're still a highlight artist, you know. Yes, young talent that go forward on your show, but people maybe don't know, and you still give them a strength, same way. Because anyway you take it, is a highlight. Remember, you know, carrying an artist on a stage, right, is a highlight to make the people them see him. But you don't know, them in a Jamaican style, them call it boss. You understand? But a highlight. But when you check it, majority of the artists them are them themselves carry them career to a next level. It's not the same person who highlight them. You understand? If it was the same person who highlight them, them wouldn't even have the conversation right now. You understand? And when you check it, out of the 3 system thing, this 3 system artist organization is a low percentage of success rate. Because the amount of artists where them highlight are 1 and 2 or so go to that big level there. Go can say, yo, yeah. So, bossing artists or highlighting artists or whatsoever, you can't use that over artists say, yo, what you do for dancehall? What you do for this? Because the same artists, them will highlight these artists, even bring them down. You understand? Try if it damage them career. The same artists for them highlight. It's like this. You plant a tree, a fruit tree, and then when you check it, you end up root it up back and chop it up and kill it. That's been going on in dancehall. But them always use it. If you say, yo, you know, do nothing for the youth them. When you highlight and then damage, it better you never do nothing then. You understand? The youth them have to fight for them career, for reach out there. You see it? So people, when you hear them forward and I talk about, yo, move from me, man. Yo, what you do? You know, boss artists, way. Majority of uno bring down artists. Uno try to fight them when you can't get to control them. That's what uno do. You understand? Because if every artist, if they really highlight them artists, yeah, uno and them wouldn't fall out. You understand? And at this uno use, if you say, yo, I want to leverage. But when you check it, uno the same one where we fight all the artists, try to use uno system to block out the artists, all of them little things. Yeah. So what happen now? What no want the youth them to do? Seeing? Because this are the thing. Uno have no DJs, uno have no system and every little thing. Them youth are just do them thing, they maybe have them one DJ with them carry go show and everything. Seeing? And still out there in the world, I represent dancehall in front of big crowds. Same way. You understand? Because you have a lot of platform now where artists can get highlighted. You see it? Because I in a dancehall alone, me so wanna bring up this. Yo, this a man who bossy most artists and me bossy more. How much artists out of that group they want to boss become successful? How much? You know say no boss so many artists. How much out of it? Because the ending part is the result. You understand? Yeah, you start take up a pen, paper, but how much percentage you gonna get after the test finish? You understand? Because you can't, this is the thing, right? You can't build something and then mash it up after. And then use that in a contest. That now make no sense. It now make no sense, bro. You see me? So people who don't know in a one media fact, you know. Bless up everybody, you know what things say. You see me? Yeah man, respect for the support out there. You see it? Yeah man, have a comment for me on the talk, you see me? But you don't know one media fact. That is it.